Okay.
Start your 100-day trial today at waytravel.com.
The future. The way you see it is said to depend on where you sit. At Xchair, we think it also depends on how you sit. Which is why our technology is
Is it?
years ahead. Xchair has done it again with our groundbreaking.
Is it just hiccups?
Providing hours of infinite comfort no matter where.
You seem fine.
Our synthesizing the universe's atoms, bringing hot, cold, and touch into one extraordinary seating experience. Our mission is to help you discover everyone.
Okay. You seem fine now. Okay.